ako nga yung sinabi nilang mukhang barumbado na nerd eh. Because I didn't look like I was going to school. Yes. Pero I was really, may time pa nun, lumabas yung grades namin, pare. Pareho kami ng grade nung kaklase ko. Hindi ko matanggap. Paano tayo naging pareho ng grade? Alam mo, after class, pinay-stay ko yung teacher. Huwag kang uuwi hanggat di mo pinapaliwanag sa akin kung saan mo napulot na pareho kami ng grade. At what point mukha ako naisip na pareho kami? Pare, just to... And that was around 5 p.m. na pauwi na lahat. And just to... Para lang mapapagbigyan ako, kinausap mo yung estudyante, binawasan niya ng 0.5 yung grade ng kaklase ko.
Iba si Direk Sid.
I mean,
Direk?
Yun yung pinakita kong determination ko noon eh. I was already showing my classmates who I am. And this is who I wanna be. Kasi nga, na-kick out ako eh. So I was determined to erase that past and be that person that I know I can be.